Hi, good evening, Ashwini ma'am. Hello.
Hi.
Ma'am, coming to your film, how far have you written the life story?
Yeah, the life story. Thank you for not calling it a biopic. We
No, the
should,
life story.
should like erase this word called biopic from us.
Biopic. Yes.
Talking about a life.
Mhm.
Like I said, that Nitesh, Sherry, who are also my co-writer. Sherry was my
Mhm.
co-writer on Bareli Ki Barfi. Piyush has been the co-writer
Yeah.
on or not on Panga. Nikhil was on Panga. On Chichore, on Dangal. So all of them.
Hmm.
So we've been doing FaceTime. We are FaceTiming every day, and we are writing. And hopefully we finish in a few months time. It takes its
Okay.
own sweet time. So, and also
Yeah.
we're not in a hurry till the time we don't finish. We are not in a hurry is because we want to take our own sweet time, and we're anyways used to taking a lot of time writing scripts.
Yeah.
Anywhere 1 year to 1.5 years goes in writing a script, so we're taking our own sweet time. Yeah.
Yeah. But, ma'am, what was that one thing that fascinated you about this story when you thought of taking up and writing it into?
uh, I was first of all, I need to thank Mahavir Jain, who actually got me the story and told me that
Mhm.
that you're the right person to do it.
Right.
So because I'm a big fan of Mrs. Sudhamurthy and Mr. Narayanmurthy, I really
Mhm.
feel the way they have led their lives is a example for so many young Indians who follow
Hmm.
the same path, and absolutely, I mean, blindly you can follow their path for their principles in life. uh,
Hmm.
and when it came to me, I felt that this is it. There's no second thoughts about it. There's absolutely no second thoughts about it. Someone who has grown up reading Sudhamurthy's books, every book of hers, I have a book here also, here. So it's
Oh.
like, I mean, everywhere. So wherever I see, there's one Sudhamurthy book, which will be there. So this, how can, I mean, there's no second thoughts, right? And I also know that it's a learning experience, because when you get to interact with them, it's not from what you've read in the books or what you have
Hmm.
seen there, but it's also to feel what they have lived. And when
Right.
you're feeling what they have lived, you also learn a lot, and in that due course of time, when you learn a lot, there is something you become a different person. You become a different version of your own self. And I think
Right.
by the time the film is done, and by the time the actors come on board, and when it's out there, the man has a
Hmm.
vision which was so big that he put his vision in front for this country
Right.
before him.
Right.
And if we have Bill Gates, and if we have Facebook, and if we have Steve Jobs, then we have an Murthy also.
And correct.
and
Right.
and just been too humble to say that. But we have to say it. We have our Murthy, and we
Right.
have our Murthy. So
Right.
it's important to that. It's important. I mean, I can
Right.
get very emotional about this actually.
I can see that, ma'am. But, ma'am, have you decided the cast for the thing, or you're waiting to finish
No,
the
not
writing
yet.
and then?
Let's finish the writing first, and I know for sure that to to play the role of Mr. Nayamurthy and Mr. Sudhamurthy, whoever is right is only going to come on this. I mean, how do I put it? In a very, बोलता है ना कि जिसके um, वो होता है, you are made for this role.
जिसके हाँ, right, जिसके, if I'm not wrong, जिसके नसीब.
No, it's not a naseeb wala cheez. It's not naseeb.
Okay.
It is basically you are made for this, and
Yeah.
that calling will come, and whoever it is, that person will call me and say, I want to be a part of this. So that's going to happen. I feel
But.
so. But let me finish first. Let me
Mhm.
finish first. I don't want to hurry up. I really don't want to hurry up.
Ma'am, but
It's
you always
too
select the right person for your characters. We have seen that
responsible
in.
for me. It's too important for me. This film is too important for me. It's
Right.
a life. Like all my films have been very important for me. But this is something very special, and
Mhm.
and this is something which is going to represent India to the world. Where so many Infosys people across the world are also going to watch it.
Right.
They're going to see their hero out there. So it's important that that connection, that heart-to-heart connection, someone who feels for it will come on it for that.
Ma'am, you always have chosen the right cast for all your films. We have seen that in the past, and I'm very sure for this film too, you will have the right people cast. Okay, on a light note, before I let you go, I keep seeing your post on Instagram where you find art in your cooking. How?
Okay.
Before you leave, I'm just going to say I enjoy seeing that.
Okay, so I'll tell you what happened.
Huh.
17 years of marriage with Mr. Nitesh Tiwari.
Yes.
Yep. I am a big foodie. I click photographs. I like clicking food photographs because for my art school background, so photography was a subject for me. So I like cooking and eating and appreciating good food. But I've never entered the kitchen. My mom's biggest grudge is that I'm so bad at cooking.
Okay.
And when this lockdown happened, she told me that I don't know what is going to happen to you. You please go get a whole lot of Maggi packets. Because the least you can do is maybe make dal chawal. Because that's how bad I am,
Okay.
in the sense, and it has also taught me so much. I'm a person who I'm very go-getter when it comes to my work, when it comes to doing things for the house and everything. But when it goes to the kitchen, I am so bored. I feel, why am I doing this? You understand? But things have changed now. So if my kids also used to eat, they used to get everything. But of course, I have my cook and my help and everything who were there, and I really miss them right now. They love it. They shared with me, and they never complained about it. I was thrown into a swimming pool and was told, now you please swim.
Swim, yeah.
I didn't want to drown. And I didn't want my kids to go hungry. So I went into the kitchen, started cooking. And I'm telling you the truth. This is no fake. This is no to say that none of those things. But I wanted to find my cooking very interesting. So my artistic side of what I have learned in college, in my art school, Samsaya Polytechnic, just came out. And we used to do something called object photography.
Right.
So I started using, I used to look at things and I used to do, okay, this looks very good. So I started creating interest. And therefore the finding art in cooking came out.
Cooking is
But as in when I started cooking, I realized that it is actually very therapeutic. It is something which puts you aside from your daily. I would call writing also a work for me because that's my profession, or thinking also as my profession. It puts you in a space. It also allows you to experiment. And my urge to learn something. I have always this thing of learning something. Like I was applying for a course in the UK to learn right now in October. So those kind of things I really want to learn. Keep learning something or the other, whether it's psychology or whether it is just normal illustration from somewhere, kind of things. And I said, this is something which I'm learning, and I never thought about it that I could also learn cooking. So thanks to all the YouTube channels, whether it's Cooking Shooking, Heber's Kitchen, I want to use your platform to thank all of them. Heber's Kitchen, Kabita's Kitchen, Skinny Recipes.
I follow Heba's Kitchen. I do follow Heba's Kitchen.
Skinny's Recipes. Oh God, you have to follow her. She is so good.
Yeah?
Yeah. They all have made our lives different right now.
Right.
And
what was the first dish that you made?
So the first dish.
How did it turn out?
No, it turned out well.
What did you make? Sorry, I didn't get that.
Sabudana khichdi.
Oh, okay.
First day only, I said you can't go from here. They say start small, right? I didn't start small directly. Mara out of sixer.
Okay.
Batting, then you go full on, you bat and see what happens then. So in this due course of time, I have learned through my cooking that there is so much things which is related to life also, that everything has to be balanced. You can't put more salt and put something else less. Everything has to be balanced in terms of your life also. Like filmmaking, everything has to be balanced. So that's what I've learned, and I think I'm going to continue even after the lockdown finishes.
Sorry, I missed you. I missed the part.
I'm
Sorry.
going to continue also after the lockdown finishes. Hopefully so. At least weekends I will.
Yes, I know to cook everything except to make tea. I can't make tea.
There's a correct
everything.
kind of tea, no?
Huh?
Right kind of tea you have to make or something like that. Right?
Because I'm not a tea drinker, so I never learned tea, and that was so my aunt used to say, "Logo chai bana pehle aana chahiye." But I said I have learned to make everything else apart from making tea.
But as this, I think this whole lockdown also taught us that stop thinking about what other people will think about you. Just do what makes you happy. Just do exactly say what makes you happy. If we start thinking about other people are going to think, we're never going to be happy. So this is what this pandemic has actually taught me, that just do what you love. Just don't think about what other people are going to think about you. But yes, you have to pray for others. You have to be grateful for others. And I think it is no more about you and me. It's about us.
Yes.
There is going to be a change. There is going to be a more patient, balanced perspective.
Sure. Well, on that note, thank you so much, Ashwini ma'am. It was really lovely having a conversation with you. Seriously, it was. I enjoyed this conversation.
I hope you too. For box office.
No, not at all. Hope you enjoyed too the conversation.
Yes, of course. Please.
I did not upset you with any of my questions.
Yeah, no. Please stay safe. Please stay at home. I know this is something which we keep telling everyone now.
Yes, right.
Stay safe, stay home is hello for us now.
Yes, right. Yeah. Cool. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Take care. Bye.